Now I'm going to be showing you scissoring petrissage. This is a little bit more intense side of petrissage. We can really get into the muscle tissue and increase more of circulation. I'm going to use one hand. I'm a righty, so my left hand is going to be cupped like a half circle or a C. And then I'm going to be pushing the muscle tissue into this C with my thumb as I'm squeezing over it. Try to stay away from bony landmarks because they can be very sensitive. Stay with the muscle tissue. And I can also do this really easily on the side of the body using my fingers instead of my thumb to push the muscle tissue into my left hand and squeeze at the same time. And this also can be done all along the back, under the scapula, into the upper traps. And that is scissoring petrissage.